I decided to pull out my camera because of that backdrop in the far end of the clouds after all this heavy cloudage. The beautiful light hitting at 5:30 p.m. I mean, Oriente Antioqueño for me is so beautiful. And remember navigating with Nana. She lives in El Retiro and she's got a channel and she can help if you are looking to relocate to this area of the world, El Retiro, La Ceja, Rio Negro, etc. So yeah, we're driving into Marinilla, Christmas lights in Colombia, excuse me. And this is the sports area where they got different like football pitches and stuff like that, and things for the kids, and little stadiums, little thing over there, whatever. And then the motorcyclist getting in my way. Don't get in my way. So in a few minutes they will be turning on the lights here, but for now we're just getting. So I'm the killer man, Banana. I just parked the truck here in this place and we're gonna wait for the lights to come on at 6 p.m. Marinilla, baby. I mean, just look how glorious the clouds look on this side. It's stormy that way where we came from in Guarne, but here is so beautiful. Never had I seen this side of Marinilla before. The Sparta of Colombia. This is the Sparta of Colombia. In a moment I'll be introducing myself, because normally I do it at the beginning of the video, but right now I'm just all out of it. Oh, people are getting free gifts or something? So it's time to introduce myself. My name is Eddie Toro. I'm a Colombian citizen, Colombian American, excuse me, born and raised in the US. I've been here for 27 years plus in Colombia, in this region, and I make videos about this area of Colombia for people who are considering traveling here on vacation or maybe want to relocate to this area of the world. And I have my services. If you're interested, I'll leave my contact information in the description box. And Christmas is awesome in Colombia. Towns like Marinilla. In a moment we'll see the lights, and I make videos about other topics as well. So they just turned it on at 6 p.m. here, the Christmas lights, and we have a mermaid right here and a dolphin. I'm gonna stay away from the music over there because they listen to some copyright music, which I definitely don't want to be a part of. And let's make this one shot with this last clip for this whole video. And there's a little river right there for those of you who already know Marinilla. And you got that other part that's pretty over there. So except that I don't like freaking fireworks that just pop in the air and make noise and put a lot of people just out of luck. I mean, yeah, just rattles my cage. Look at all that. Looks how beautiful it looks over the river. And then they got that looking thing there like a lighthouse, and they got all this street food over there, the little kiosks or stands with food, and folks taking photos and everything, family outings. These are the locals from Marinilla, from Rio Negro, from the area. A few come up from Medellin, especially on the weekend, not during the week. And you know, I know I said I wasn't gonna come out this way because I felt so tired, but I said let's just roll the dice. So I'm not gonna be talking too much. But then we got music that's killing it. I don't know what this is supposed to represent. I was guessing at it the other day when I was here, the Taj Mahal, but I don't know what it is, but it is. And it's pretty cool here, but I think I can forget about doing all this in this last part in one clip. It's gonna be a lot of editing, but I'm at home. I'm not working. And I really don't like editing a lot, but hey, it is what it is, because it's just time consuming. And it's not like I make a living off of this, but I enjoy it anyhow. So I'm going to talk very little, let you enjoy the sights, the sounds. I'll try to give as little commentary as possible and not get run over by a bicycle on the bike path. Just let me know what you guys think after you have seen a lot of this. Let me know what you guys think about these lights here. Although it's Marinilla, you see Marinilla, the sign is backwards since we're on this side. It is a very interesting town for any expat who would like to live here. So there's always something happening here. It's not a boring town whatsoever. It isn't beautiful, it isn't fugly, but it is interesting. Very interesting people here, very cool. Los Maranillenses or Maranillos, I forgot what they call it. Says it's 350 years old. This a city with a musical soul. Ciudad de Marinilla. Jorge Hidalgo Hurtado Alzate, the mayor when that was done. This town was established in 1664, and this is the Malecón, the boardwalk. But it's not a boardwalk, but it's a walk. It is handicap accessible. People in wheelchairs or those motorized scooties or motorized wheelchairs. Just so I can tell you that in many of these areas around here, not the whole town, but this area especially. Look how pretty it looks. Oh wow. Let me just take a photo of this before I forget. So let's keep going. It looks very pretty. Very pretty. Colombia is beautiful. Like Nana from Navigating with Nana, what she normally says at the beginning of every video she makes, good morning from beautiful Colombia. And for me, I'm just saying to you guys a good evening from beautiful Marinilla, Colombia. Marinilla, Antioquia, Colombia.
En el manual de instrucciones empezamos. El número 1.
So this is a representation of England, of Big Ben, with one of the, you know, kind of like the King's Guard there at Buckingham Palace. Pretty cool. I'm a vegetarian, so that's hell for me. That's hell. That's just me, I'm just saying. Platanitos, 3,000 pesos, 75 cents. Let me get this. Un momentico. Muchas gracias, los platanitos. Let me pay her 3,000 pesos. Los billetes 5 más bien porque 5,000. Sí. Platanitos are plantains. Gracias. Feliz Navidad, que esté bien. She wanted to look good for the video. Bye bye. Ciao. So I'm gonna eat some of those because I'm a little hungry. Sorry. These are plantains, not sweet plantains. These are regular plantains. They're with a little salt added. So I'm gonna eat some in a moment. Let me just turn off the video so I can free up my other hand.